Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thombre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, KK Wagh Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 5 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of this practical is Use of Images and Shapes. Why there is a need to perform practical number 5, Use of Images and Shapes? While creating a document for different purpose, there are situations when we need to insert images or diagrams and apply desktop publishing feature. After inserting the graphics, it is required to compose text matter along with images and diagram. This practical is useful for developing necessary skills to incorporate the same and is helpful to use computer for electronic documentation. The relevant course outcome is to prepare business document using document processing tool. After learning this practical, you will be able to insert and edit images and shapes, sizing, cropping, color, background, group and ungroup the different shapes and images available in your Word document. You need a practical skills to insert and edit images and shapes in document by way of hands-on to compose the given image in the document as per given specifications. Also, you need to format the images as per the specification. While creating a big documents such as report, books, one need to use various shapes to be draw to depict as a block diagram, processing diagram, or one can make use of images that are already created. Word processing tool give this facility to create an object using shapes available. One can insert already existing images in the document to make the document more readable. Word processing tool support editing of such images. Once it is inserted, one can use appropriate options from available menu. To perform this practical, you require resource like computer system. You need any desktop or laptop with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You may go with OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such kind of software. To perform this practical, you need to insert different shapes and image in the given document. Also, you have to edit, format the image and shape. After performing this practical, you have to write the answer of these questions. What is the significance of having shapes in Word document and what are the different image formats supported by word processing tools? Thanks for watching.